Hello everyone, let me show you how to change a Facebook video thumbnail.
The first thing you want to do is open up a web browser of your choice and sign into your Facebook account. You can then stay on a profile account or sign in or transfer into a Facebook page. For this tutorial, I'm using a Facebook page. Now I'm going to scroll down and look for a video that I have previously uploaded, and oh, here it is, how to see dislikes again on YouTube. Right, as I've located the video, I'll go to the top right of this section here and tap the three lines. And then I'll go down to the pencil icon, edit, post. Click that. And now you may need to scroll down here a bit to get to see another pencil icon and video options. Click that. And yet again, you need to, you can either just close that. And we go down to change thumbnail. There's a drop down menu, click that. And here's your options. Choose suggested, upload image, choose from video, test different thumbnails. So for this video, I want to upload an image. So I'm going to click that radio box and click down again and click the upload image. This is on a desktop. You'll need to locate your thumbnail if it's not the one you want to upload and then click open. And that's the thumbnail being added. So, and if you're happy with it, click save. And it's now been uploaded and it is now been updated. Click save.
You have been watching a how-to tutorial by Aspiration. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click or tap that subscribe button. If you want to receive notifications for every new video, you can also turn on the notification bell by clicking or tapping on it. Additionally, feel free to leave a comment below. Your ideas and suggestions are always welcome. Until the next time, take care of yourself.